Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. If you have been wondering how can you make your Instagram appear offline and basically prevent anyone on Instagram from finding out if you are online on Instagram, then you came to the right place. Today in this video I'll show you exactly how to do that in a very easy and clear method as well. So follow up with me till the very end and let's jump right into it. First, let's get something out of the way. Open Play Store or App Store, depends on what device you're using. Simply find Instagram here to make sure we have the app updated to the latest version for everything to work properly and to face no problems in this process. After that, quit the store. Finally, now you can open Instagram. Make sure you are logged into your account as you can see here. And then let's open your profile. To start with, tap here in the bottom right corner on your profile picture. Here we are on your profile. We need to go to settings, so tap the three lines in the top right corner first, right here, and then tap on settings and privacy at the top of these options. Of course, you'll be taken to settings. Now from here you need to go ahead and scroll down until you find a category that should say messages and story replies. This one right here. You can scroll down and find it here, or you can instead take a shortcut. So you tap on the search bar in the top and simply search for messages, and the results should have only that option at the top right here. Tap on messages and story replies, and from here you find lots of options, one of which is show activity status. Tap on it, wait for a couple of seconds, and this is, guys, what you are looking for. From here, make sure this toggle is turned off. Once it is off, nobody will be able to tell if you're online on Instagram. But the catch here is that even you will not be able to tell if someone is online on Instagram as well. And that is pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and leave your questions and comments in the comment section. I'll try to answer every single one of them. And of course, subscribe for future videos like this one. Thank you very much for watching and see you in future videos.